Now is available at McCarthy Cars. Volvo S60 diesel 2010 metallic black. Car has front xenon lights, a front headlight washer, front daylights. It's got 18-inch alloy wheels. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got a reversing camera. Split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags. 5 headrests. ISOFIX, child seat preparation. 4 electric window, electric and folding mirror. Full electric seats. Car has satellite navigation. Reversing camera. DAB radio. Media. Bluetooth, telephone connection. Push button to start. Heated seats. Blind system. Collision warning. Automatic transmission, 2 central cup holders. A multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.